Welcome back everybody, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today we'll be replacing an AUX PCB on a pair of QC35 headphones. If you need any parts or tools, they'll be available in our website, linked down below. To get started, we'll flip the unit over. We'll be working on the left side. Take the ear muff off. You do this by going under. It's held on by clips placed all around it. So I like to go under, pry back, pull it out, place that to the side. Next, we'll have to take this mesh cover off. It's held in by two pieces of tapes here and here. So carefully get under it and just pry away. Place that to the side. Next, I'll be using a 1.5mm Phillips head screwdriver for all the screws here, and we'll be taking out these two right there. Next, flip the unit over. The cover should pop out. If not, I use a plastic pry tool to help get it out. Next, we're going to have to remove this ribbon, so we'll use a heat gun or a soldering iron. Turn on the soldering iron. I like to add some flux in there just to make the repair this process go smoother. Next, grab tweezers. I like to use it just to get a little leverage on it, and use your soldering iron to heat up the ribbon and let it release. Now that you have that done, take out these two Phillips head screws, and you can take out the AUX PCB. Now grab your replacement AUX PCB, place it back in, and make sure the holes align and it aligns down there properly. Grab your two screws you just removed and screw them back in. Both of these are the same. Next, grab your soldering iron once again. Position the ribbon where all 4 points align to the 4 points on there, and just heat it up so the solder sticks. If need be, add some flux, but I've added flux earlier, so there should be enough for this as well. Next, grab your cover, place it on over, flip the unit over while holding that cover in place, and then grab the two screws that you've taken out in the beginning. They're the two longer ones, and just screw them back in. Now grab your mesh, place it in. You can replace your tape if it has already gone bad, which we usually do. Once you've replaced your tape, align it. Make sure it kind of follows the curvature of this, and just press down on the two tapes. Grab your ear pad. I find the center of it, center top, pull it back and clip it in the top first. Next, I work my way around, going one clip at a time. Now you're done, and you can enjoy your headphones once again. Thanks for watching. This has been Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. If you have any questions regarding the repairs, please leave a comment down below and we'll do our best to get to you. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video and would like more tutorials on all your electronic needs. Thanks and have an excellent day.